So let's just jump right into it. And we're just going to talk about gatekeeping in the beauty industry. Now, I see this word thrown around a lot, right? Like they're always saying, oh, this is gatekeeping, this is gatekeeping. It's not gatekeeping when someone offers a digital product or a service that answers all the questions that you have about that topic. What is gatekeeping is when you purchase that service to find the answer to your question or to solve your problem, and they don't give you that. They want you to buy into it more. I don't feel the need to gatekeep something. Stylist and as an educator, it's important to me that I pour into you what I know. Maybe that's just like morals and ethics, but when I train and when I educate, I'm telling you everything that I've learned, the ins, the outs. I'm not asking for you to buy into this after purchasing that. Why would I, as your trainer, not tell you everything that I know? If you've taken any of my classes, you already know, like, I don't play that. I'm telling you everything. I still get messages from girls who've taken my very first taping course. Like, this helped me so much. There was so much information, and that's what I like to hear. I launched my Seamless Bond Method Masterclass after launching my K-Tips tutorial course, and I got the feedback that, okay, this class was amazing. I learned a lot, but I want to see different angles. I need to see more of the front section. So that's what I put into the Seamless Bond Method class. I listen to the feedback that my students give me, and then I apply that to what I'm making in the future. Consultations, I'm showing you the products that I use. I'm showing you how to make your own K-tips from anything, from iTips, from bundles, from old tape-ins, from your client's old K-tip install, so they're not just throwing them away. I'm showing you all of that. I'm showing you the placement. I'm showing you how I hold my hot tool, the density matching, everything. Because I believe that what I know, you should know too. To me, that's just like common sense. So when it comes to the whole gatekeeping thing, I understand it, but that's not where you're getting when you come over to this side. I'm sorry if you've, entertained other stylists that, filled your head with bullshit. The PTSD, I understand it, I empathize with it, but that's not what you're getting here. If you just want to get your feet wet when it comes to K-tip extensions, I do have a free tutorial. It will be linked below. Check it out. Let me know what you think. And if it meets your standards, go on and get certified in my Seamless Bond K-Tips Masterclass. And I'll talk to y'all soon. I know it's been a while. I haven't really posted many videos on my YouTube channel. And I promise 2026, I will be more consistent when it comes to that. So I'll talk to you guys later. Enjoy and bye.